Hi everyone, it's been a little while since I've made my presence known on here, and so I thought I'd show up today. Of course, my nose is going itchy, sorry, I had to do it. I thought I'd do a Mask Monday today and just kind of follow up, let you know what's going on with my family, having had COVID and all that kind of fun stuff, and just do a little share day. And of course, I know there's a couple more prayer cards in here that I haven't read, so I'll probably end on a prayer card. Anyway, so I'm going to do two things today. And they're from my Auntie Jean. This is the glitter mask. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on there. And I have eye patch. I think. Maybe. Yeah. We'll see. Anyways, it's the glitter. And I was thinking about doing these eye patches, but I think I'll save it and just do the glitter. So we'll go for 10 minutes. It says 10 to 15 minutes, but I'm only going to do 10 minutes. I'm very impatient. 15 minutes just seems like a long time sometimes. Oh, the ones that say 20, oh, eek. Now we're really talking a long time. I can't get it open. Of course, and I don't have the scissors in here because I wasn't thinking. So, I'm sure this is going to be messy. I did bring a towel. I already washed my face. And so, we're going to go shiny. A peel mask. I've never done one on here before for you guys. And it's glittery. I don't know if you can see that there. Oh, it's definitely glittery. Anyways, I hope everybody's doing well. It's been quite the past few weeks for me. Many of you know my mother, my brother, and my stepdad all got COVID. And my stepdad has cancer. My mom was worried about him. My brother, special needs, who had several strokes, and she's his caretaker, and it's a 24-hour duty. So it was pretty stressful for her. She ended up getting really sick and ended up in the hospital. So needless to say, I went over there to take care of my brother, try and help out for a week. I had to take off work and try and help. Well, my mom ended up not coming home till I forgot what day it was. It's been a few days now. It might even been Sunday that she got to come home. I'm thinking. I believe it might have been Sunday. But it's been super stressful because of the situation. My brother, like I mentioned, he's special needs. He's autistic as well and requires a 24-hour care. My mother decided that she was not going to be in any position to be able to take care of him the way he needs to be taken care of, and her health was being jeopardized because she wasn't getting any sleep. She was having to get up 2 to 3 times a night to change him and change the bedding, and it was a lot. So she wanted me to look into putting him in a nursing home where they can take care of him the way he needs to be taken care of and not have to worry about it anymore. And so I was tasked with that, and it was very, very difficult. It was just a very difficult time for me, and as well as I'm sure my brother and sister, but they're far away, so they can only do so much. And his biological father is really not physically capable of taking care of him either. And although he wanted to, bless his heart, it just wasn't a safe situation for him. And my house is not set up for somebody in a wheelchair as well. We have steps on both sides of our house. There's no way to get him up here safely. And so, because he's wheelchair bound, I don't know if I said that as well, but he can't walk. So, anyways, take a quick little stop there for a second, and now I'm back. So, anyway, so like I was saying, all said and done, I got him in a nursing home. His dad has been there like every day for the majority of the day since we brought him in there, and it was on Wednesday that I brought him. So my mom must have come home on Tuesday. It must have been Tuesday, not Sunday. Anyways, long story, but that's neither here nor there. So my sweet baby brother, Buckwheat, which I'll show you a little bit of him, is now in our nursing home, and so it's heart-wrenching. Once he started having strokes a few years back, and they've progressively gotten worse, and so it's left him where he's wheelchair because he can't walk, and he can't communicate well. He's never been able to, but it's gotten worse from having had the stroke. So he ends up soiling his pants, and so he's in, pull-ups, I guess, or whatever, adult diapers. And so he has his things he likes. He's got his computer and he's got his TV with his movies. So those are the two things that he gets enjoyment out of. And he found out that facility does bingo 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So he enjoys watching people. And although somebody can do it for him, he can't play bingo, but he absolutely enjoys playing bingo and watching people. So that's good. We're still working on some quirks with the whole, because most of the people in there are older, and he's almost 40, but he's special needs, where the other people aren't necessarily the same way, and they can communicate. Trying to teach him how to use his button when he needs help and things like that. So, he's got some learning to do, but they're doing physical therapy, which has been really good for him as well. And so that's that. And like I said, my mom did come home. She got to come home, I guess it was Tuesday, because I brought him there on Wednesday. But the whole situation with mother is she's still real weak. She's on oxygen. She's not allowed to leave the house for a month. And she doesn't have a portable oxygen. So she is at home, and she's trying to gain her strength back. She's still very weak. So anyways, but that's what's going on. I hope everybody else is doing well. My stepdad and my brother both recovered well from the COVID and are doing fine health-wise. And even with my stepdad having cancer and everything, his appetite's come back. So that's good. But so I've been busy because I work still, and I've been working part-time. Thank goodness my boss is awesome, because I've been able to help with my brother's situation, and I get an hour lunch, and he's 15 minutes away, so it's like half an hour drive time. So I've been going over there on my lunch break to just pop in and see him for a few minutes and then come back, so that way he knows I'm around, that he's not there, even though his dad's there all the time, but that he has family and familiar faces. So, and then my mom, because she can't leave, and then because my stepdad's still pretty weak with his cancer and everything, I have to also help them. So I've been super busy. We have our household with animals, helping with my brother, helping with my mother, and so it's been really busy for me. So that's what's going on, and that's why you haven't seen me very much. But definitely in March, I think probably end of March, start looking for some fun stuff I got brewing with the ladies. So that'll be fun. And so, yeah. So let's get to a scripture. And I just peeked, and it is the last one in here that has not been read. So that's kind of cool. So I still had one left. Okay. And this is going to come from Psalms. So, blessed be the Lord who daily loads us with benefits, God of our salvation. Blessed be Adonai, whose daily loads us with. Oh, let me reread that so it makes sense. Blessed be the Lord, who daily loads us with benefits, God of our salvation. That's Psalms 68:19. Yeah, I had to reread that. Anyway, so that's that. Again, I hope everybody's doing well. I don't know if you guys have had a mild winter or a harsh winter where you live. It's been a little funny here, real cold, and then warms up on the midweek to 70, and then it's real cold, and it's been kind of back and forth, and a little bit of snow, not a whole lot here in northeast Texas, but we've had a little bit, and could have some more coming this next week, so should be interesting. And so I'm just waiting for this mask to dry so I can peel it off. Maybe that's why I don't do the masks that are peel masks. They take forever to dry. I don't know if you can notice, I got my hair trimmed. My Auntie Cheryl, who you might have seen from Pinkee Jeans channel, or also formerly JeansJunk, she is staying at my mom's tiny house, and she cut my hair. She just trimmed it, but it made it all nice and straight. So super excited about that. I'm starting to peel. Yay! Anyway, so all right, y'all. It's time to take the mask off. Hope you all have a blessed day. And thanks for watching. I had to do it. Why? This is some funky stuff. Have a great day. Bye.